Does she usually get up eventually? No. Okay. Okay. Where's your bear crawl leg?
It's right here.
Okay, stick that leg out. Stand it up like you just did a minute ago. This one.
Can't do this.
Okay. All right. Well, we got it. We're gonna see what we can figure out.
Uh,
Go.
oi.
Oi, 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 oi.
Oi. Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, 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 oi.
Oi, oi, oi.
Got it now? Oh. That would be why you are not going outside and helping. Okay. You gotta stand and turn. You can do it. Push. I know, it's very hard. Go. Keep going. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it now.
Ta-da!
So that needs to be our first